Hey everybody, this is your Evening Essentials. I'm meteorologist Danielle Noyce here for the 1 Degree Outside Weather Network. It's chilly out there. It's going to cool off quickly this evening too. So if the kiddos have things that are outside this evening, sports or whatnot, just make sure they're dressed appropriately as we fall through the 40s into the upper 30s by about 8, 9 o'clock in spots, and then into the 20s in some of the coldest pockets tonight with some patchy frost as the wind will be fairly light, although there'll be some patchy cloud cover overnight tonight across central, eastern, and western New England. Notice far northern New England dips into the teens. Cold in northern New Hampshire and Maine. Many 20s on the map across central, northern, interior southern New England. North and west of Boston dips below freezing as well. The city itself in the upper 30s. Same for much of Cape Cod, too. So I'm not overly concerned about frost there with a bit of a busy breeze that will continue. Predicted highs tomorrow, mid to upper 50s. Takes most of the day until we get there. And then 40s in the far north country, with a gradual increase in clouds, a mainly dry day, although with a wind that's going to shift out of the south, that will bring a little bit of an increase in moisture and may spark off an isolated shower across Connecticut and perhaps southern New England tomorrow. It would be light and isolated. That's the key. Most of us are dry, but the south coast could see a little bit that does develop, maybe a patch or two of drizzle. Many of us drive through the evening commute until 6 to 8 p.m. when some scattered showers do come into western New England. Not all that heavy or organized, but that's actually a warm front, a sign and a signal of the warmer air that's going to push in over the next couple of days through the middle part of the week. So bus stop forecast, cold start tomorrow, 40s by recess, 50s after school. Kiddos are dressing for at least milder conditions on Wednesday and Thursday, starting off in the 50s and then 60s and 70s. So did you put away the shorts yet? They may still need them here. And the Halloween costumes will not need extra layers underneath if you have activities on Halloween night itself. Many cities and towns, many busy activities the next few nights. 50s for Tuesday, Wednesday mild and breezy in the 70s, and reaching for records on Halloween. We've had all sorts of extremes on the holiday in the city of Boston. The warmest is 81 set back in 1946. Coldest 27 degrees back in 1904. Wettest 2.5 inches over that in terms of rainfall, 1939. The snowiest, yes, we had a trace. That was it back in 1913 on Halloween itself. Last year, the high temperature was 50 in the city of Boston. So this will be a much milder Halloween compared to last year. And the last 70-degree reading on Halloween was back in 2019, where we hit 72 degrees. In the meantime, we are talking about highs that go 75 to 80 in many areas. And through the evening hours, for trick-or-treaters, will gradually cruise back into the lower 70s and upper 60s. The only thing to be aware of, too, is there'll be a bit of a breeze out of the southwest around 10 miles per hour. No precipitation to worry about. We'll keep you posted on the forecast, more on insights and pattern predictions that were posted earlier today on our website, social media, and our app. Speaking of which, you can get it for free in the App Store and Google Play. 14-day hourly forecast on there as well. You can help support our swag store as well. Check out the merchandise there with the holiday season right around the corner. Just go to swag.onedegreeoutside.com. We'll see you with more weather tomorrow morning.